I wish you love and all the peace you can find in your heart. And I wish you strength and all my courage when you're weeping in the dark. Tender sleep, soft understanding, and peaceful waking. And when your heart is cold, I will wrap you in the blanket of my soul. And when it's all too much, you always know you've got somewhere to go. Tender sleep, soft understanding,